Hey everyone, Coach Henry here, and I just wanted to give you a couple different tips in order to optimize your transformation that starts tomorrow. So in order to do so, one of the things that we specialize here at the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center is reducing oxidative stress. And there's 6 world's best doctors that we preach. And so to set yourself up for optimal transformation tomorrow, whether you're a student, you're a legacy, you're going through the training, you're a coach, you're a captain or whatnot, 6 best things that you can do tonight to prepare yourself for that. One, nutrition. Make sure you're getting a ton of phytonutrients, fruits and vegetables into your blood, saturated tonight, so you can have all of those phytonutrients in balance in order to optimize your chemical reactions that happen in your body. Repair tonight using hydration. So drink water. Every single chemical reaction in the human body requires the presence of water. It does not happen if you don't have enough water in your system. Third, oxygen. There's a meditation that some of you are going to be attending tonight by Coach Vicky, and if you can, great. Reducing that stress in the presence of enough oxygen. The truth is we don't breathe properly like the body was actually designed. We actually only use about 1/6 of the oxygen intake of our actual lung capacity. Sunshine, if you can get out tonight before the sun sets, get some of that. It's going to reset your hormone levels. It's great for vitamin D absorption. And so not only the long-term effects of like bone growth and stuff, but it's going to help you with your mood and set you up for a great attitude for tomorrow. Definitely get a good rest for tonight, a good 7 to 8 hours. And so your body can repair all the way down to the genetic, molecular level and cellular level. So you're ready for the oxidative stress that is going to hit us with releasing all those toxins over this weekend. And so you can experience that freedom and breaking of those chains and experience the joy that you deserve. And lastly, make sure that you are getting enough movement. Get outside. If you haven't gotten off of your computer and moved for about 20 minutes and increased your heart rate in general about 100 beats per minute for a total of 20 minutes or more. And that's going to help to get that nutrition, get that oxygen, and get that water to be moved out to the extremities of your body and your limbs. And so hopefully with those 6 different best doctors practices for tonight, you can set yourself up for the maximum success for your transformation that starts tomorrow. Woohoo! Go get them.